This is the Ryobi PL1200 hand planer. Unique machine, 1200 watts of power, 103 millimeter thick base, 3 millimeter depth of cut, and a rebate capacity of 14 millimeters at a time. This incredible unit is ergonomically designed, so it has a nice soft grip. It comes with a dust extraction port over here, and most of all, it has a base. This base allows you to then work from the top of the machine, safe and secure and steady, and allows you to work with bigger objects. You also have the ability to remove the base and use it as a normal hand planer. This unique machine is new to the Ryobi range of power tools and also comes with a 2-year warranty.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.